Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Mila Aldana Effendi. I will present my research entitled is Analysis of Student Error in Solving Function and Inverse Function Problem. My paper consists of an introduction, research method, result, and conclusion. In introduction, I will explain about why I choose this study. Function is one of the important concepts in mathematics because function is a base concept every branch of mathematics such as algebra, calculus, analysis, and geometry, statistics, and other. But the result of student daily tests, which are still many below the KKM minimum, the KKM or minimum completeness criteria. It can be seen that students are still having difficult answering questions. The difficult experience by the student can be seen from the mistake made by students when answering questions. Therefore, it is necessary to analyze student error in solving problems related to the material of function and inverse function, so that in the future appropriate strategies can be designed to overcome this error. So, uh, to reduce student error, we must know the mistake made and the reason, so that we can design the right learning method. Okay. In this study, use a case study qualitative research method with the subject in the study is aware in the study are students of class 10 SMA Negeri. The instrument used in the study were test and not test. Non-test is interview the student. And the data analysis technique used in the study is constant comparative method. Result and discussion. In the study, obtain three types of student error. There are concept error, procedure error, and wrong count. In concept error, in concept error in definition function, students understand the function as a relation in which all members of the domain and codomain have pair. He guides that the definition given by the teacher or read through the book focus mainly on the sentence every or all members have a partner and only one partner. Students forgot which set must have pairs. This could have happened because of the previous student perception of function, because function had also been taught at the previous level. In definitive function, concept error in definitive function, this is student understand the function based the example given, because the example always in pair with their parallel, so the student understand the function as relation in pair with their parallel. Procedure error. The error are actually not from the material of function and inverse function, but from the material of algebraic question. Error in transferring from the left to the right or side or left to the right side or vice versa are caused by the weak understanding of student in simplifying algebraic equation. wrong count. The student error is in adding up x and 3, which becomes 3x. This often happens to students because uh, mm, the student error wrong count. The student error is adding up x and 3, which become uh, 3x. This often happens to students caused by the inability of students to distinguish sequence in everyday language from algebraic language. This error occurs because students are not careful in reading questions or student weak understanding of the concept of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of algebraic form. Conclusion: the error made by students are conceptual error, procedural error, and error in counting. Misconception in the function material: students assume that the function is a relation in which each domain and codomain must have a pair and one each. Besides that, the function is also defined as parallel pair relation. This is caused by previous student perception and monotone example. Procedural error occur when students determine the inverse of function. Students are confused in determining the next step in the process of determining the inverse. This happens because students are not yet fluent in operating equation in the form of fraction for error in counting. It was found the students were still confused in operating algebraic form. This happened because of a conceptual error in algebraic operation. This is my presented. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.